So, welcome back to Gadgeteer Farm. This time we are back in the creek area and I will do a small experiment. Can you grow wasabi in a creek in Sweden? So let's see. The creek has shadow areas and is flowing really well, so it might actually work. I have shadows here, so let's see. So this is a small dog, Indy. Say hello. Yes, good. So he is a small puppy. Has just oh, Leta. He's trying to search for the candy. Oh, he's a Labrador Retriever, and so he likes water. So he will help me today here down in the creek. So let's find a good place. I think you have some flow here, but then it stops or a little bit more silent. So I will try to put it somewhere in that corner. Thank you, Indy. So Indy all but destroyed this one. The dog got hold of the plant and yeah, I don't think it will survive. But we will see. So I went over to that side to put out the camera, and there you have a real, I mean, it's muddy, wet. You have a small trickle stream coming down from the field. That might be a good place, and it is really in good shade, so that might actually be the place. So we try to plant one here. That will be good. Maybe I can. Can you see the crayfish? It's a small one. I think I disturbed it. Try to find place further upstream. Place it under the rock there, in behind, so a little bit behind the flow, but still, and as you see, is in shadow. So I think that can be a good place. I think it's good soil because it's like really good. You have stone, you have like mud and from the fields, like really, it's really full of life. So it might actually work, but yes. So yes, that's it. That's all for today. Subscribe to know how it goes for the wasabi. My guess, it will not survive, but we will make it. We will try and see how it goes. Follow me to get the answer if this will work or not. I will do a follow-up.